Hello. I welcome you all to our today's tutorial question. Nakuweza Brand. So in today's tutorial question, we are looking at this question which says, find the value of k. Find the value of k. Looking at the nature of the question, for us to find the value of k, we need to equate the bases, the one on the left and the one on the right. So to do that, we are going to simplify this equation. We don't change the meaning of what we have. So we are going to say 4 power 2 is equal to 4 power 3 in brackets. Then this is raised to the power k. Alright, so what we have in brackets there is just 64. And what we have on the left is just 16. And so the rule says, at this point, for us to find the value of k, we need to have the bases equal. The one on the left and the one on the right, the bases need to be the same. And having achieved this goal, we have our bases on the left, we have 4, and on the right, we have our base as 4. So at this particular time, we are going to equate the powers. That will mean the bases will cancel out. Then we'll just equate the powers, and so we'll say 2 is equal to 3k. Then at this particular time, we are just going to make k the subject of the formula. And once we do that, we are going to have our k as 2 over 3. That's how you handle such a simple question. So we have a similar problem as the one that we are just from solving, except that this time we are given 81 raised to the power k, and everything has been equated to 3. Just like what we are from doing, you need to equate the bases, the one on the left and on the right. The bases need to be exact. So we are going to work around with the 81, because if you look at 3, we can't really do much with the 3, but when you look at the 81, so we are going to have our base as 3, then raised to the power 4, which is just the same as 81, then everything raised to the power k as our question, then everything equal to 3. Alright, then at this point, since we have got the same bases, but just to simplify our work further, we are going to say 3, you know to say when you have got exponents aligned like this, you multiply the exponents. So we are going to have 4k as our exponents, then raised to the power 3. Alright, then at this point, since we have the bases exact, so we are going to equate the powers. Mind you, we have a power raised as 1 on the base that we have on the right. So at this particular time, we are going to equate the powers. So we are going to say 4k is equal to 1. And then to find the value of k, you make it the subject of the formula. Then you are going to land to your final destination as 1 over 4.